Hey everyone. So today did not go as planned. I had trouble catching horses. I had horses that got loose, broke their halters, broke the chains, or not the chains, but the loops on the trailer. It's just been a hot mess. So my original plan was to take them down the street to there's a really big outdoor ring with pretty decent footing, and work on getting long and low in preparation for our hunter show next weekend. It'll be Chubby's first little hunter show, Virad's first hunter show too, and it'll also be the first show of the year, and it'll really be Chubby's first horse show. He went to an event last summer that was pretty low key, which was really good for him, but this one coming up it'll have a little bit more excitement, I think. So we went and practiced in a new arena with a different environment with a lot of 4-H and pony clubbers and all that, and that it's invaluable experience to be able to go and ride with a lot of people like that. So especially because we're used to only 1 or 2 people in the ring. But by the time I caught everybody, by the time I loaded everybody, because Chubby decided he didn't want to load today, 45 minutes later, we just changed plans because I was running out of time. Getting 2 horses schooled probably wasn't going to happen. And at that point, I was just frustrated and angry. So I said to hell with it and went with plan B to try to knock my dog walking out and get both horses ridden at the same time. So here, she's hiding, but Rah-Rah's back there. We're ponying. And then I'm riding Chubby. And we're doing our little trail time. So we've had the opportunity, instead of working on long and low hunter stuff, we have crossed a bridge over running water. It was rather narrow, so I was pretty proud of everybody for that. We've crossed some ditches with some 2 or 3 foot deep water, and footing's not super great. They've got some big rocks here, but yeah, so we're working on different skills, but today was a really good reminder on how you can't control everything no matter how hard you try. And as somebody who likes to plan the plan, that can be frustrating. I'm also like hyper competitive, which I'm working on, but that also means that when I miss a schooling day with the horses, I kind of feel like as an athlete, it's also kind of like you missed a workout, and it's, when you're close to a competition, a big deal. So I have to remember to not carry my personal athletic competition experience, goals, and behavior and attitude over into the horses, because they're horses. They don't care if they compete. They don't need to go in the ring. So today we did a little change of plan, and now we're out on the trail having a good old time. It has rained, sleeted, and now it's not doing anything, and cycled through that multiple times already in the 15-20 minutes we've been out. But hopefully we get some cool pictures, and maybe we'll get a view in here. The weather's kind of shit, so the footing's not great, which means you don't really want to go up elevations. So we'll see. I don't know. We'll see what we do. Come on. Oh boy. And now we're getting hailed on. With all the gunshot. Easy win. Good boy. It's only about 5 minutes into the ride, so that sucks. We're just gonna try to stay on as flat a ground as we can, which is hard because we're in the mountains, but don't think it's gonna be a long ride, but we'll do enough to make the trip worth it. And that way looks flatter. So See all the hail on Ra. Hi, Chubbs. Not happy dogs. Everyone's kind of pissed today. So, just one of those days. Good boy. Come on, bud. You can do it. I know, scary. You're okay. Go ahead, Rob. Get water. There. We might. I'm gonna do a little off-roading. Worry about our feet. Oh boy. Easy. Good job, Chubbs. Everybody hates me right now. Nobody likes the rain. Poor Ra just thinks this is the worst thing in the world. Ra! Say hi! She's like, you suck. You can do it, bud. There. Good boy. Good job. Here, get a drink. Good boy. Let Rod get a drink. Oh, okay. Hold on. Poor Ra. She wanted to stop. Come here. Let Ra get water. Gonna practice. We had a hard time. Oh, we are sinking. So no, we are not gonna practice. Good boy. And Chubby did an excellent job getting us out of the sinky mud mess. I got us into. Good boy, Chubbs. Good boy. Ra. Ra and Oz pulling up the back. Ra hates being in the back, and she also hates rain. She's like, yeah, I'm ready to be done. Your hands get too full. Here, horse. This side. The lead pony. So slow down. Yep, step on that lead rope. Prefer to catch her though. Come here, Ra. Easy. Good boy. Did you get loose? Come here. Ra. Oh, Chubby. Where are you? Good boy. Ooh, Ra. Easy, girly. Good girl, Ra. Scared poop. Oh. Now we've got shooting and downhill. A little step. Good boy. And a bridge. We have done this once today. And we are headed home. So hopefully this will be a no-brainer. Sorry, buddy. Go ahead. I know. You have to cross it. Good job, Chubbs. Good boy. Good buddy. In the middle. Good job, Chubby. Good girl, Ra. Come on, bud, let's go. Chubbs. Everyone's cold. Come on, big guy. Step up. Come on, you can do it. Good boy. There you go. Come on, big guy. Come on. Rah-rah, call him. Come on, Chubbers. Good boy. There. No. No, all the way. Come on. Good job. Good boy. We're back in the car. We made it. We're gonna head home now. What a day. Alright. Need gas, windshield wiper fluid, coolant, oil change, all the things. So hopefully we'll do that, go home, go pick up hay, get the horses fed, and maybe an oil change. Dogs are not happy. They're cold and wet and tired. Say hi, Oz.